Hello everyone, welcome to Yemzi Beauty Beads. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a well-dated beaded alphabet letter A earrings. Stay tuned to learn how to create this beautiful design step by step. Let's get started. One step looper, needle nose plier, round nose plier. This is the high pin, the head pin. Can you see the difference between the high pin and the head pin? So this is the high pin, can you see? And this is the head pin. We need the jump ring, and we need the earring hook. First thing we want to do is to start with the eye pins. So we need three beads, 4 mm beads. 1, 2, and 3. Let's use this. You can either use this or you can use round nose plier. We need 2. So we're gonna do the same thing. One. So you can also use 6 mm or 8 mm, but I'm using 4 mm. This is really small, but that's fine. So we have these 2 now, 1 and 2. Let's keep it here. So the next thing is to take the head pin. We need to insert 4 beads. You can use a bigger bead, but I'm using 4 mm. So 6 mm will be good too. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. Then I will add this. Then you just insert this into the head pins. Then we need 4 yellow also. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The same thing. Insert to the 1 step looper. You see there's a hole in the 1 step looper. Then you just need to this is good. So the next one, take another head pin and do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just need to insert it into this hole like this. Then count 4 yellow also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert it into the 1-step looper. And that's it. This is like letter H. So the next thing you're going to do is, we're almost done. We are almost done. Can you see how beautiful it is? So the next thing is, we need the jump ring. Put this one 1, the earring hook 2, and the last, and just close it. And that's it. This is the head pin. We need to insert 4 beads. So this is 4. 4. Insert that. We need 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also use, if you don't have the 1-step looper, you can use this. You can use the round nose plier. Do I really want to use the round nose plier? Not really. All you need to do is insert. There is a hole in the 1-step looper. Just insert the head pins inside, push, then go. That's it. Easy. Take the second head pin. Let's do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then insert it into the eye pin. The yellow is gonna be 4 also. This is good. And the last step, You can also use a smaller jump ring. You don't need to use this big one. One inside the earring hook, two, and three. Then close. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more creative tutorials. Thank you. Have a blessed day.